Task number 12, challenge number 8, the app trap. Let's open this. We've seen like we have here a phone interface. McSkitty's social account started posting strange Isthmus is coming updates. Suspicious third-party apps might be involved. Gift, right? We see gifts, we see weather elf, locations and notification, and an Xmas schedule. Back to apps. We see a password vault also. McSkitty, the app trap. McSkitty's social account has gone rogue, posting strange messages about Isthmus. A suspicious third-party app may be behind it. Learn to review and manage app permissions. Help stop data leaks before they start. Objective: find and remove the malicious connected app. Steps: review the list of connected apps. Look for one with unusual permissions like password vault access. We've seen in the Easter scheduler, if you remember. Click revoke access. You can see it over here, password vault. Revoke access. And then we have app trapped.